repping for Jamaican. Sick is right.
All right. All right. Let's look. See what's gonna. Sorting out to do, and they're doing it. Okay, all right. So we're live. We're doing it. Right lane only. Let's go. Full for life. Let me tell you. And also friends are back in their ear. I see also pretty decent. Okay. Oh, pretty head behind the phone right now, Q5. All the Q5 cars, head behind the phone. Q6 drivers, head to this tent for the drivers meeting right now. Q6 in there, dog. Just like that. Alright, the big bad super is out. Choke performance. That should be pretty decent. Back up. Yes, sir. No replacement for displacement, let me tell you. All right, remember,
That's not good enough. Could I run through with that?
all right, here's my favorite car. This I carry one this I 7 and I don't want to know today. Bring my shot. Yes, sir. The competition doesn't trust me. Like one of them did. What we getting? 10.0. Next year, I tell you, we'll probably. Yeah. Let's look. What we getting for that red super? Let's look. Good run. Make a look. Whoa. Big up our friends from Renaissance. I tell you, the Christmas party is on December 22nd. I tell you.
876 Street.
876 Street.
No, no, they bang it. 876.